So welcome friends, this is from Anup Python Academy. So today we are going to start another problem statement from LeetCode which is based on Python. As the problem statement number is 238, product of array except self. Okay. So let's see what is problem statement. Given an integer array num, return an array answer such that answer of I is equal to the product of all elements of num except num psi. The product of any prefix or suffix of num is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that run in big O of n, that is the complexity of algorithm, time and without using the division operation. Okay. So example is given to you. In the first one we had getting a list of number, the nums 1 2 3 4. We have to calculate the product of number except itself. As far as concerned, we are getting as a product 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Okay, likewise. If in a num array or list some of the number are negative, so that should be replaced with a z, that should become product of array itself. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus 9 into minus 1 9, 0 into minus 3 again 0, 0 into 3 again we are getting 0. So we have to find out the number of product and array except itself. Okay, so the constraint is given to your number should be lies in between 2 and 10 raised to power 5. Your element nums length, okay, it is array length, and actual element that should be lies between and including minus 30 to 30. The input generated such that answer of I that should be guaranteed to fit in the 32-bit integer. Let's move to the coding part. So here we had created a solution class. Under the solution class we have the method or function that is the product except itself, where as an input we are passing a list which is storing the all elements in integer form, and we are getting the output is in integer form. Let's see. So for that first we have to find out the number of elements in the list. For that we can use length function. After that we will create an one variable answer which will hold the number of element in an array that should be multiplied with n. Then we will try to calculate the prefix number. So for that we will set the prefix as 1 by default. Then we will use the for loop. Within the for loop we will try to iterate each element of an array or list that should hold the product of an element. The first number that should be assigned as in prefix. Okay, so now we have to calculate the how many prefixes are there. Should that prefix should be multiplied with current element that should be hold in nums of I. In the next step we were trying to multiply the suffix product. So for that we need to create a one variable whose name is suffix. Again we have to use for loop for I. Again we will try to calculate the negative number from the any number side should be there. So that should be stored, that should be start from the except one element of the list up to the last element. Therefore we have written one. and their difference should be minus, their difference should be 0, therefore we have to set -1. After that we need to multiply the each element of an array with itself. For that you can write like this: component summing operator is there, that should be multiplied with suffix. Okay, so after that whatever suffix we are getting, that should be multiplied with sorry, that should be multiplied with current element. So here we had created the suffix variable also. Now it will return the answer to that an array. For that you can write return answer. So once you return the function or method, now it's time to create the solution object of the class, that is the solution. While creating the object of the solution class, we need to create an array whose name is nums, in which we are passing some value 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Now we try to run the method or function within the class with the help of object, that is s. For that we can write s. Then we need to write class name, that is this one. So for that we need to write class name. For that we need to write product exception self. Then let's see we will check whether we will get correct output or not. Now we will try to run this one. Let's see whether we will get correct output or not. Yeah, so we are getting the correct output. Okay, as in first case, while passing the list of arrays in 1, 2, 3, 4, they are getting the product itself. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 3 2s are 6, 6 3 4s are 12. That should be arranged in descending order. 2 3s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, like this. We are getting the output. Okay, so basically in this scenario, this question is very simple, but while doing such kind of question, you need to read the problem statement at least 2 to 3 times, so that you can get the clear cut idea how what approach we have to follow while writing this query or while solving such type of question. Okay, so if you have any query regarding this problem statement, so feel free to ask your doubt in comment section, and do subscribe our channel Ankilkar's Python Academy. Thank you. Have a nice day.